The GLE 53 comes standard with all-wheel drive and a 9-speed automatic gearbox. The SUV's powertrain produces 429 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque when combined with the GLE 53's 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine. That setup helped catapult an earlier GLE 53 we tested to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds and through the quarter mile in 13.0 seconds at 107 miles per hour. The GLE 53 also has an innovative suspension system that combines active anti-roll bars with an airbag system to give driving performance without compromising ride quality. Every GLE class dashboard features two massive digital screens. The interior is sportier than the conventional Benz models, having AMG seats with red contrasting stitching, a performance steering wheel, red seat belts, and aluminum elements. The cabin is also quite roomy, including the back seat. The SUV's square back body shape allows for an optional third row of seating. The GLE 53 has the same cargo space as the GLE 450, which means it can fit 11 carry-on suitcases behind the second row of seats and up to 26 cases when the rear seats are folded down. The GLE's dashboard is dominated by twin 12.3-inch infotainment displays, and the AMG variants, like the lesser Benz-branded GLE classes, support the current MBUX software. The driver and front seat passenger can communicate with the system using the touchscreen, the center console-mounted controller, or simply saying "Hey Mercedes" and issuing a voice command. We found the system to be a little difficult to use, but owners should adjust after a few weeks behind the wheel. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity are included, as is a Wi-Fi hotspot.